Hello my beautiful souls! Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maaaring mag-resonate, maaaring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maaaring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. Oops. Okay, so we have here the Strength card and the Page of Cups, Two of Swords, and the Three of Swords, Eight of Wands, the Judgment, Star, and Two of Cups. Oh, Six of Cups, bottom card. Okay, so may specific signs tayo dyan ng strong Leo and Aquarius energy. Okay, so, kung itong taong ito ay nag-cause ng heartache sa iyong buhay, ayan, and parang mukhang nagpaparamdam yan sa'yo, pero parang not sure ka dito, parang you're ignoring this person, parang hindi ka naniniwala sa mga sinasabi niya sa'yo na words, ganyan, pero ang dami niya kasing sinasabi dito na mas matatamis na salita, pero parang dinededma mo, hindi mo pinapansin, or hindi ka naniniwala sa mga sinasabi niya ngayon kasi parang sinasabi mo rito na nasabi mo na yan or narinig ko na yan, bla bla bla, ganyan. So, kumbaga gasgas na yung mga sinasabi niyang taong yan sa'yo. Parang ilang beses mo nang narinig yan, pero yung mga pangako na hindi natutupad. Tingnan natin, signs and symbol cards. And maaaring sinasabi din yan sa'yo na namimiss ka niya ngayon. Okay, tingnan natin. We have here letter. So, makang nag-send siya ng message sa'yo, ng letter, pero in-ignore mo. This person is manifesting na magkaayos kayo. Lighthouse, perfume, falling star, and playing cards. Okay. Bottom card is telephone. Ayan. So, talagang tatawag yan. Maaring mukhang hindi mo sinagot yung tawag nitong taong to. Yung una, nag-text, nag-chat, pero no reply. Tapos tumawag siya, tapos hindi mo sinagot. Ganyan. Ang third na gagawin niyan is pupuntahan ka niya personally, harapan. Ayan. So, talagang desidido siya mag-usap kayo ngayon. So, lalo na namimiss ka nitong taong to. Ayan. So, tingnan natin anong message ng Archangel. Kasi kung hindi mo pa kakausapin tong taong ito or hindi mo sasagutin yung message niya, yung tawag niya, sasadyain ka na niya personally. Wow. Relationship harmony by Archangel Raguel. We angels are opening the hearts of everyone involved. Arguments and conflicts are being resolved now. So, kung ano man yung nangyari, mga conflicts nyo nitong taon to, nare-resolbahan na ngayon. Tinutulungan kayo na magkaayos nitong taon to. Lalo na kung deserving naman ng magkaayos kayo, no? Kung deserving naman na maayos pa itong connection nyo nitong taong to. So, tingnan natin sa ating mga tarot messages, oracle cards. Kasi talagang desidido siya na magkabati kayo na magkaayos kayo I want to protect you. I want a family with you. So, ayan, kasi parang gusto niya na mag-settle down. Ikaw yung naiisip niya kapag naiisip niya yung thoughts na magkaroon ng family in the future. So, I have fear and anxiety. You excite me. So, na-excite siya kapag naiisip niya yun Kapag may mga tao nagtatanong sa kanya, kailan ka mag-aasawa, kailan ka bubuo ng pamilya mo, ikaw yung nasa isip nitong taon to at na-excite siya sa mga naiisip niyang yun. No? To have a family with you. I'm honest to you. Caught in the middle. My intuition choose you. So, kung nagkaroon man ng third party issue or kung ano man tong caught in the middle issue niya, no? Pero mukhang decidido siya na ikaw na yung pipiliin this time. Kung hindi ka niya pinili before, ayan, so talagang confirmation na this person is missing you. So, kung hindi ka niya pinili before, so ngayon, this person will come back to choose you. It's a disaster. So, maaaring naging disaster yung nangyari sa previous relationship niya na hindi nag-work out. So, tingnan natin. I wish I could take back my words. So, may mga masakit din na salita na nasabi or hindi magandang words na nabitawan. It's time for me to heal now. I want to be more than friends. So, siguro naghiwalay kayo as friends. Ayan. And I regret lying to you. Finding out the truth crushed me. I hid who I'm really am from you. So, may mga tinago din na secrets na nagkabulgaran dyan. Ayan, kaya para nawala ng tiwala. It was my fault, but I blamed you, and I feel you even though we are apart. Bottom card, sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. So, lagi pa rin niya iniisip yung dati. Yung dating kayo. Yan. So, tingnan natin sa blue card, we have here, celebration, attraction, and the marriage. So, talagang gusto niya yan. Iniisip niya na ikaw ang pakasalan in the future, ikaw ang maging husband niya or wife niya, ganyan. Magkaroon ng family. So, tingnan natin, kuha tayo ng initials. Letter T, C, A, VX, letter U, letter E, MQ, letter I, bottom card natin, O. So, let's see sa ating general signs and the messages. So, we have here beach. So, maaaring gusto nyo kayo pumunta sa beach, mamasyal, smart, or marami kayong memories together. Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. April, Dimple, Cup is another water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. February, karmic relationship. Siguro nag-end yung karmic relationship niya, kaya gusto niyang bumalik na sa'yo. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Practical, travel, chaser. Past person, quiet person, attractive. Coins is earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Luzon, trustworthy. North PH. Virgo, gorgeous, sweet, need more signs. So, okay. Last three cards. We have here green-minded, national capital region, and sarcastic. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.